Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the pan head screw on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dryer door here. And you can see right here we're missing one of our screws. It'll be the same kind as the screw across from it there, the pan head screw. So grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we're going to screw the screw in with a Phillips head screwdriver. And once you've got it in there nice and tight, you can close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.